Howdy y'all, my name is Morgan, and in this presentation I will be discussing spiders. So on the tree of life, they are in the kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Arachnida, which is the tree of life you see here, and then order Araneae. Araneae is in the top right, highlighted in red. And generally, when people think Arachnida, they think the Araneae, Acari, and Scorpionida, otherwise known as the spiders, mites and ticks, and scorpions. So their habitat is mainly temperature dependent, ideally between 60 and 90 degrees, and they can live anywhere from the woodlands to wetlands to a corner in your garage or underneath your bed. And then they'll even live in their webs or make a burrow depending on the type of spider. Their size also varies a lot. They can be smaller than a fingernail, as you can see on the bottom left. That is a peacock spider, or up to a foot. The top left is a Goliath bird eater spider, which is a tarantula. And then on the right is a huntsman spider. And then the middle of the page, about the size of a palm, is another type of tarantula, just a general generic tarantula. They're both predator and prey, so they prey on mosquitoes, flies, roaches, birds, mammals, reptiles, fish. The larger spiders feed on the larger prey, and then they are preyed upon. The smaller spiders are preyed upon by birds, frogs, mammals, also humans. We kill a lot of spiders. And then the larger spiders are preyed on by larger birds and mammals. They get their food either by hunting them, or getting them ensnared in their web and then wrapping them in a cocoon. And then their prey will either die from starvation or suffocation, and then the spider will eat it. Specific traits unique to spiders are their chelicerae and pedipalps. So their pedipalps are essentially short legs. It's the spider version of hands. They use them to hold their prey and manipulate their prey while they're either eating them or wrapping them in a cocoon. And then their fangs are hollowed out chelicerae that are now filled with venom or digestive fluid, depending on the spider. And then something all spiders have is the spinneret, which produces and excretes silk, whether that's for their web or the cocoons they wrap their prey in. And then the scopulae are like on the ends of their feet, and they're little hairs that they use for gripping onto surfaces, as well as water tension or surface tension on water. They're very big on pest control. One of the main things that they eat is mosquitoes, which carry so many diseases that are harmful to humans. And they also eat a lot of other insects that are harmful to our crops. So without spiders, humans wouldn't be in the greatest place. They're also very important for medicine. There is a spider in Australia that is being currently researched to hopefully aid the Tasmanian devils and prevent their extinction. They have a mouth cancer that researchers believe this specific spider can, help mitigate or prevent this cancer. And also, because their silk is so strong, it's used in the textile industry, not super commonly because it's very expensive to utilize, and then it becomes an even more expensive and luxurious product. But it's also being used, or potentially being used, to create body armor because it is so strong. So hopefully that is something that we can, figure out. But because it is so strong, we're trying to make it artificially to help mitigate the costs a little bit. And then here are my citations. No citation style was specified, so I included the article name and then the link to it. And as per request, none of them are hyperlinks. I hope that y'all enjoyed the video and have a lovely day. Goodbye.